Another fine vehicle offered by Friendly Chevrolet.
This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has the power to move what you need and the look too. This Chevrolet's list of numerous features includes power windows, a dual-zone climate control system, satellite radio, a rear parking aid, an airbag deactivation switch, and this vehicle has just over 65,000 miles. This truck's powertrain features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself.
Friendly Chevrolet is located at 2754 North Stemmons in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations so that you'll return for future visits.